Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We start question number 11 of exercise 3.1. This question is very important according to examination point of view. Now the first question is find x in the following proportion. Now the question is what is the proportion? Now proportion is equivalence of two ratio. Equivalence of two ratio is called proportion. Now we have this ratio. This is first ratio and this is the second ratio, and this is first and second ratio. These are ratio, two ratios. Equivalence of two ratio is called proportion. Now this is given this, and we write this in equal form. Now this is ratio and also is equal to this ratio. Now we write here in questions by product of mean and product of extreme. Now this is the question, and we write here. Now we write the question this: product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Now this is our mean, this, and this is our extreme. Now we have 3x minus 2. Now 2x. This is our product of mean. This we write this. 4 multiplied by this 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 multiplied by this is the product of extreme. 7 into 3x minus 2. Now this one multiply by this 4 2s are 8, 8x plus 12 is equal to 7 3s are 21x and minus 14. Now we take this to the left side. 8x minus 21x is equal to minus 14 and minus 12. Now we write this minus 13x is equal to minus 26. This minus will cancel this minus, and we have x is equal 13x is equal to 26, and x is equal to 26 over 13. 13 ones are 13 twos are. Now x is equal to 2. Now this is our first part of this question. Now we solve the second question, second part of this question. The second part of this, we also write this. In this, we again find the product of mean and product of extreme. Then we will find this is equal to this. Now write this, and by this we write is equal to product of mean is equal to product of extreme. This. Now this is our mean and this is our extreme. Now we multiply this by this. 5 over x minus 1 multiply by this x minus 1 over 3 is equal to x minus 3 over 2 multiply by 4 over x plus 4. Now we have right product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Now this mean, this is product of mean. It means we multiply by this, and this multiply by this, and we write this 5 into x minus 1 over 3 multiply by this x minus 1. Now this we write here, and is equal to 4 multiplied by x minus 3, and here 2 multiplied by x plus 4. Now 5x here minus 5, and also 3x minus 3 is equal to 4x minus 12 and over 2x plus 8. Now we multiply this, by this or this by this. By cross multiplication, we get this multiplied this. It means 5x minus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 8. This multiplied by this is equal to this multiplied by this. It means 3x minus 3 multiplied by 4x multiplied by 12. Now this one. We now multiply this. 5x multiplied by 2x. We write here 10x square minus plus 8 40x minus 10x minus 40 is equal to this multiple this 12x and this multiple this minus 36x and this multiple this minus 12x and this by this plus 36. Now we again 10x square this and this by this plus 30x and minus 40 is equal to 12x square and this minus 48x and plus 36. We this take to the left side. 0 is equal to 12x square minus 10x square minus 48x and minus 30x and plus 36 and plus 40. 0 is equal to this we write here 2x square and minus 78x and plus 76. Now we write this, we change the sides. 2x square minus 78x plus 76 is equal to 0. Dividing 2, take 2 common from this. X square minus 2 3s are 29x and plus 2 3s are 38 is equal to 0. X square minus 39x plus 38 is equal to 0. Now we write the question and we write question here. We multiply by make the factor of this 38 this and 2 1s are and 2 9s are and 19 2s are and again we use the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we multiply with this and put the value here. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 39 and c is equal to 38. Now put the value here. X is equal to minus into minus 39 plus minus 39 square and minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 38 over 2. X is equal to 39 plus minus and we multiply 39 we want to square of this square of 39 square 39 is equal to 1521 minus now 4 multiplied by this again 38 multiplied by 4 is equal to 152 over 2. X is equal to 39 plus minus. Now subtract 152 from 1521. 21 is equal to 13 under 69 and now 2. And now x is equal to 39 plus minus, and we want to this LCM of we want to under root of this, and this is equal to under root 1369 is equal to 37. Now we write again 1369 over 2 is equal to x is equal to 39 plus minus 37. Now under root of this is this over 2. Now either x is equal to 39 minus 37 over 2 is equal to 2 over 2 is equal to 1. Now again x is equal to 39 plus 37 over 2 is equal to and 16 1 and 6 and 7 over 2, and x is equal to 38. Now this is, we have two values, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 38. Now the answer of this question. Now we write the second question. This is our third, and we write the fourth answer of this. This is our fourth. Now this is our fourth. We again, this ratio is equal to proportion this ratio. Now again we write product of extreme, product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Right. Now this multiply this is mean x multiply P3 minus Q3 over P plus Q is equal to this multiply this P square plus PQ plus Q square, this write in brackets, and multiply this P square P minus Q this square, and this is over P plus Q. Now this is multiplied with this. We have this multiplied with this by product of mean, and this multiplied with this. Okay. Now we write this x multiply by, we write the formula of this P3 minus Q3, we write this P minus Q, we write this P square plus PQ and plus Q square. Now this is formula we have learned in class 9, and P plus Q. Now this is equal to P square plus Q square, no, PQ, sorry, this PQ plus Q square, and multiply by into P minus Q this whole square. Now this will become the denominator of this. X is equal to, we write this multiply by P square plus PQ and plus Q square, and multiply P minus Q whole square. Now this will become the denominator of this. We write P minus Q and P square plus PQ plus Q square over P plus Q. P plus Q. Now this is the fraction over fraction. When fraction, we write here, when we multiply this fraction will be reciprocal of this. We write here reciprocal of this fraction. X is equal to P square plus PQ plus Q square, and multiply by this P minus Q whole square, and multiply by this will go on the upper side, and we write this P plus Q, and we write the denominator of this P minus Q and P square plus PQ and plus P square. Now this will cancel this, and you have only x is equal to P. We write this in p minus q 2 times p minus q and multiply by p plus q. Now here in the denominator p minus q, this will cancel this. Now you have only p minus q multiplied by p plus q. Now we have x is equal to, this is a minus b, this is a plus b. We write directly p square minus q square. Now x is equal to of this. Now we write the question number 5. Now this is the our question number 5. This is question number 5. This the question number 5. This ratio this ratio this. We multiply this is the product of mean, and this is the product of extreme. Now right here, product of mean is equal to product of extreme. This. Multiply this 11 minus x multiply 16 minus x is equal to 8 minus x multiplied by 25 minus x. Again we see this and this 16 minus x and 8 minus x. This is the product of extreme and 25 minus x. We write this 11 16s are 11 6 66 and 176 minus 11x and this minus 16x and this plus x square is equal to 8 5s are 200, 8 25 is 200 and 8 minus 8x and minus 25x and minus plus or x square. Now we write this. And here 176 minus 27x plus x square is equal to 200 minus 33x and plus x square. Now we take all sides. This we take all sides on the left side. X square minus 27x plus 176 minus x square plus 33x, this minus plus and minus 200 is equal to 0. Now right here x square minus x square minus 27x and plus 33x and plus 176 minus 200 is equal to 0. Now this will cancel. Now you have here only 6x and minus only 24 is equal to 0. Now this minus 24 go to the right side. 6x is equal to 24 and x is equal to 24 over 6 is equal to 6 ones are 6 fours. Now 4. X is equal to 4. Now this is the answer of this question. Is x is equal to 4. X is equal to 24 over 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are 24. This is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Now this is the solution of this exercise. Now this exercise is have been ended.